to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and bumped his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Up Jack got and home did trot, as fast as he could caper. Friends all helped to mend his crown with a hug and golden paper. Up, up, up the hill we go, swing the pail and don't let go. Tip it, trip it, oh no, no, down comes all the water. Jack and Jill went up again to fetch the pail of water. Whoops, the bucket bounced away and splashed on everybody. Sitting on the windmill hill, they thought and thought together. What if we could make a way to carry up the water? Up, up, up the hill we go, swing the pail and don't let go. Tip it, trip it, oh no, no, down comes all the water. Build a seesaw, fetch a rope, the windmill wheel can help us. Round it goes and up it pulls, the pail of splashy water. Jack and Jill went up the hill the clever way this time, oh. Not a single drop was spilled. Hooray for Jack and Jill, oh. Down the grassy hill they slide, whee, all the way to the bottom. Watering the flowers bright with every drop they brought them. Up, up, up the hill we go, now we know just how it goes. Hold on tight and steady slow, here comes all the water. Jack and Jill